Hi, myself Vinayak Sunkar from representing Aaj Tak here for BizWiz from JSS College, Dharwad. The 3 days management fest that BizWiz 2007 organized by Sibalco was very fantastic. They had organized it in a great way, uh, in all the sense, where in each respect, in the organization was great. The competition was very neck to neck, and all the competitors were good. 42 teams, that was a huge competition here, and all the competitors were at the same level because what the topics and the information was provided to us by Sibalco was very much tough, and it was very much informative, and the theme media was also very in the media and the theme what the Sibal people had chosen for this management first helped all the competitors, all the participants who have participated in this management fest, and it's really it was a great time, and it was our luck that we were the participants of this Sibal to the Bizwiz 2007. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Natasha. Well, I would like to tell you all something that Sibalk has run a very good job this time. The rounds were exclusive, and yeah, y'all did stick up to the professionalism, divided the work by what it should be. Advertising was advertising, marketing was separate marketing. Keep up the good work. All y'all need to do is, yeah, pay attention a little more of organizing, and surely every year, as y'all put up a good show, y'all will continue to put up such a good show. Sibalk, all I have to tell you, you guys just rock.
Hello everyone, this is Sumit here from Hubli. Before this, we have attended many fests, but coming to Belgaum and attending the KLE's fest, that is BizWiz, was really great. All the organizers have supported us in the best way possible, and yesterday we had the entertainment session. I would like to say all the organizers are really good dancers. Our team coordinators are very cooperative with us. We had never had any problem coming here, and this place really rocks. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Jason from St. Joseph's College, Bangalore. I've participated in this fest, in the BizWiz and the marketing event, and everything was really well organized, and we really liked all the rounds. All the rounds really made us think a lot, and we've definitely learned a lot from it. Also, the organizers and volunteers, everyone was so helpful, and we really enjoyed participating in this fest. We're really glad we could come here, and thank you for everything.
Okay, away from Bang, I'm Bhavna from St. Joseph's College. BizWiz has been organized really well. The events are really challenging. The preliminary rounds, the final rounds, and especially for outstation colleges, the hospitality provided is amazing. The accommodation, the way they've taken care of minute details is amazing. Just one suggestion: the timing needs to be kept up because timing is very important, time management. But otherwise, this fest is really great, and the way the rounds have been organized and the hospitality is great. The organizers have done an excellent job.
Hi, this is myself Sapna and my friend Kirti from STM College, Mysore. Like coming to here, it's very great. We enjoyed a lot. We had a great fun these 3 days. The Sibal students are very enthusiastic. They have a one kind of Joes, which is really very interesting. And coming to the accommodation provided, it's really very good. Our Scott Priyanka, she's very helpful to us. Then the event which they have organized is really very interesting. We enjoyed. We had a great fun over there.
And coming to events part, it was really great. It was interesting compared to other projects, other events. Basically, media is an interesting part in which they came out with it, and it's really an innovative idea, and I would really like to appreciate Sibal students. And coming to accommodation, it was really great. Transportation facilities were great. They were on time. Food was on time. And what else? Escorts, of course. Our escort, she's very lovely, very sweet, very friendly, and she was there whenever we wanted. And then about the college, of course, it's really a good college, and I would really like to thank Kelly College for providing a platform to prove our talents. And truly speaking, they are really successful in organizing the event. And I would really like to appreciate the college, escorts, and faculty, principal, and the last Sibal students without whom the Sibal couldn't have been. Thank you.
I'm Ruby Solomon Joseph, representing MS Ramaya College, Bangalore. I feel that the fest has inculcated a very good morality in us, and it no longer is a competition. It's something like more than that, and we experienced a whole lifetime in a small package.